Welcome to the Anykool 10, the AK10 off-road electric scooter installation video. So once you unbox the carton, you will find inside the main scooter, you will find one toolkit, you will find the locking key, you will get the charger, an additional plug, and the user manual. And the last part that you see is the main board that you have to screw inside on the top of the board. So first step we'll do is to take the column and then to place it and to be sure to screw it safely. Then I'll advise you here to put the board so you can see lithium battery and all the electrics. So you place your board like that. Then be sure that all the holes are in front. Then you get your toolkit where from your toolkit you will get the right screws. So you need 8 exactly. One here, so it's important to tie it. So also you got to find the right key among all the key that you have been given. Just find, yeah, that's the one. And you place it on the hole. My advice first will be don't screw it all too tight to be sure that you can insert all the screw safely and make the final screwing, the hard one, in the end. But first, make sure that all the screw can go in the inside. Alright, so then once you place all the screw, you be sure to screw it very tight to ensure that it's going to be waterproof. It's very important to tie it as close as possible. What we can appreciate on this board, it is made of soft touch finishing, which is very comfortable for the hand, but also for the foot, you know. Alright, so then once your board is stitched, you will need to fix your handlebar on the column. So you can either do it, but not on the floor, but as I'm on the table right now, I just gotta show you how to do it. Okay. And so you need to unscrew. You need to unscrew right here. So I'll show you on the video so you can see easily. First have to find the right extend key again, and then just to open on the top. So you just unscrew. Sorry about that, it happened. Then remove this part, place your handlebar in the inside, and then be sure to place, there is some lines in the middle to show you how to place it. Place it straight, then place back up. First place the screw by hand until you screw it manually. Because screwing it will also make it way tighter. Again, don't screw all too deep in the same time, otherwise you will you will block the good full screwing. So just do a bit of all. This one is going to be tricky.